They are off and running here finally. Springer got up well, so too did Rock of Barbados. Down the backstretch they go, and Tiana Springer, the Guyanese, the two-time defending champion, looking for a hat-trick of wins, is cruising, but she has Kadia Rock of Barbados, who won silver behind her last year in chase. The rest of the field left back with work to do. The Antiguan, Katia Ambrose, in lane number 2, is traveling well, so too the Bahamian Hannah. But the race on the outside, it's Rock and Springer. Springer with the advantage, pushes off the curve into the home stretch. As we saw in the semi-final, Tiana Springer cruising forward. Dickinson of Jamaica coming into 3rd, so too Brianna Brown in 4th. But Springer wins it. Rock in 2nd, Dickinson 3rd, and Brown of Jamaica in 4th. Certainly she would love that time, but from we saw
I see the
under 17.
I see the issue from the under 17. The flash time stops
Before.
way too early. Stops at about 20 meters or so shy of the finish, but a
So
really
Springer,
fine run nonetheless from Springer. You see her coming there into the home straight with Rock keeping her company, and she just uses a superior foot speed, a superior endurance, and pulls away for the victory. Kadia Rock, once again, a silver medalist. She won't be displeased, I don't think.